Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to give a tutorial on Manta Incentivized Testnet version 3. If you are new to the channel, this is a channel to share my personal experience. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos, and you should watch it to the end. The MantaPay Incentivized Testnet version 3 is there, and it will open for a short amount of time. Probably it will be ended in a few days, so if you haven't checked that, don't forget to check this video. I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. They have a GameFI event where you can do some of the Twitter following. Those would be easy. I will not demo, but the last few steps it's a little bit complicated. And so the testnet, I will post a link. First of all, you need to get some testing token. So you need to connect your GS wallet and copy your substrate wallet address, and go to their Discord, the official Discord, and type the command and put the address. You can get the test token for the DOL, the DOL token, the KR, the KSM. For the River, this address, you have to use your MetaMask address. So you need to copy your MetaMask address and put it there. So this is a little bit different, and all the others you can use your substrate address, which start with 5. Now you should get the testing token, and then you can go ahead to do the ZK transact. Now I have some testing token. Every day you can get some test token actually. So I will send 100. And here they will ask you to download the Manta signer if you haven't done that yet. And if you watch my previous video, actually long time ago, like you probably have that already, so you can fill out and get your wallet. If not, you can create a new one. And here you have your ZK address, and this is a private, so that means your address is private, so it's going to send from public to the private. And so wait a little bit time and copy paste the link to the Gleam, and this is the first one. And some of you may wonder like how to get that address, so I'm going to show you when you do the public to public, and I will do the same thing. I will put my own like substrate address, so I will send it to myself. This one should work, I think. So you just need to wait, and then you will see the transaction succeed. There's a view. Click that. This is the URL of this web page. You should copy. So copy this URL and then put it here. So that's what I do. Then finally, there is the testnet version 3 feedback form. So this is after you did all of those exploration. You can fill out this form, and so the quantity of that form is important, looks like, to get the reward. And so I would recommend all of you should carefully check that. For example, sometimes the syncing takes forever, and I figure out the problem is actually I need to reopen the Manta signer. So sometimes you have to reopen that. Sometimes I think it automatically quit or something, so you have to reopen that. That's the thing like I find. But you should do some more testing and find some more like a possible issue and describe in the detail in the form. I will not go over each of the question in the form, but it should be straightforward. If you have any question, please leave a comment, and I would be happy to respond. So that's all for today's video. I hope all of you get the rewards for this testnet version 3 of Manta, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.